Siguro unahin natin sa pag-define ng salitang resilience. Ano ba yung resilience? Yung resilience, madalas naririnig natin, sinasabi ang mga Pilipino ay resilient. Ah, pero lately, merong sinasabi na toxic daw yung resilience ng mga Pinoy. No? So, ano ba yung tamang resilience? No? So, this is what resilience is. Resilience is the capacity to adapt, recover, think clearly, and continue moving with purpose under pressure. No? So, it includes recovery, judgment, flexibility, and forward movement. So, kahit na nahihirapan, nagpe-fail, nagagawa natin ito, it is developmental. People can build resilience over time. It is both personal and social. Leaders build it themselves and in their teams.